Hello and welcome to RMR Training App. We are so excited to have you here. My name is Rich Ryan. I'm a two-time HYROX Elite 15 World Championship qualifier and have recently run a PR of 54:28. I am 1/3 of the coaching team here at RMR Training with my partners Meg Jacoby, the 2024 HYROX World Champion, PR of like 58.0, and a North American champion and major winner, Ryan Kent, with a PR of 55:13. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know to have success with this training app. First, let's talk about the nuts and bolts, how the app actually works. So first thing you need to do is download the app from the Apple or Android store. You can search under Strivey tracking, and the same credentials that you used to join the app can be used to get you into Strivey. So you already have a profile and account in there waiting for you. So do that now. If you downloaded the app already and you're finding that there are no workouts in there for you, just log out, log back in. That should fix the issue. If not, then delete the app, re-download it. And we're just sorry that it took a little bit of time, but they will be there for you. Then when you log in, you're going to see all the programs listed on the left-hand side. And if you lose track of where you are in the app, simply hit the RMR logo. That'll bring you back to the home screen. So now that you're in there, let's talk about exactly what programs we have for you currently and where to go to start. So our flagship program is the HYROX 12-week program. So if you have about 12 weeks until your next event, you can start right from the jump. This is for intermediate to slightly advanced athletes who are willing to put in time 6 days a week for 60 to 120 minutes per day. You should have a good idea of what it's like to do the movements in HYROX. And if you've done a HYROX or two before, or if you've been training at a pretty high level, say CrossFit or doing some sort of Orange Theory, F45, something where you feel really confident in your fitness, or if like you're your fittest friend. So that would be a good way to kind of know that the HYROX 12-week program is going to be a great spot for you. If you have a race in less than 12 weeks, then just jump in on whatever week that is, and it will lead you in a linear way to your race. So you'll have a build and a taper right in there. It focuses on running, has some strength training, a lot of specific things for HYROX. So if you want to run your best race and you want a great place to start, the 12-week is it. If you don't have a race right around the corner, one thing that I would recommend jumping into is RMR Daily. RMR Daily is programmed by Ryan Kent, and he works you through a progression that's going to get you generally fit for HYROX and ready to jump into any of these programs. So if you're kind of in a base building phase, or you just want a little variety in your training or just some inspiration for your normal training programs, jumping into the RMR Daily and seeing what is on for the daily workouts or for the quality sessions per week is a great way to use it. One of our most popular programs is Running for HYROX. Running for HYROX is a 4-day-a-week for 12 weeks. It's a progression that's going to build you up as a runner. It's going to work on your aerobic capacity, your efficiency, your skill as a runner, and your overall ability to run fast. So if you just need to improve your running and everything else you have set, dropping the HYROX running program is a great option. So this can take place of your quality days and then filling in on some of the other days with some strength or whatever your normal program is. But if you just want to work on your running and need to get better at running, Running for HYROX. If you are going into doubles, you need a very specific program that's going to help improve your high end. Doubles is still going to have a lot of running. And in our 8-week doubles program, you are going to run, but you're also going to be working at a higher intensity than what you would typically be doing in a regular HYROX for individuals. Because you get to switch back and forth, we specifically designed the time domains and the rest domains to make sure that you are going to understand and be able to replicate the demands of the doubles race in training. Our beginner program is our longest program. It's 16 weeks. We do this so that you get to have some time to really build your base phase and allow you to ease yourself into training. So if you're not super comfortable with the volume and intensity in the HYROX 12-week, I suggest backing off and taking a little bit longer time and jumping into the 16-week build. If you have a race before that, I would just keep going. Don't really worry about where you are. Just get relatively prepared and understand the demands. Get better at running, get better at the stations, understand the skill, and then just push right through it. So I really recommend the beginner program. If you need some time and you're not super comfortable with that volume, then jump into beginner. These are our most popular offerings here. So we think that there is something that could fit all of your needs. If you have more questions about what to do for the app. All right, so your first workout's ready for you. So go ahead and jump into the program. Start from day one. Each workout is going to have a description and a place for you to drop notes and add your score to the leaderboard. Please use these features. It's very helpful for us to see your feedback so we know how things are responding in training. So make sure you are using this as a log as well as a program to help yourself understand where you're going and where you've come from, and to help us understand how to help you better going forward. All right, so now you have everything you need to succeed at your next HYROX event. Now it's up to you to do the work. So if you have any questions at all, please drop them in the description down below so we can help you understand exactly what you need to do for this app. If you have a question, you're probably not the only one, so please ask. And we'll talk to you soon.